nakalutang nasa langit, ngunit nalulung.
Hey guys, it's me, Dodong and welcome back to my channel. That's a different intro, guys. So for this year, I promised you guys that I'd be working more on my vlog. So of course naman, I'll be speaking more English and Tagalog, so you know, a lot of you guys would really understand. Yes, welcome to my hotel, the Pocket Hotel.
Buntag sa'yo, pagmata na ako, napitin ko sa kong damgo. Dili ko ganahan mo bang
Our branding, the Pocket Hotel, bunks, and so bunks are double-deck beds. Kasi ano, typing a hotel, my hotel is also a hostel. We cater to shared bedrooms. You pay per bed instead of per room. But of course naman, we also cater if you want to book the room as a whole, which has a discounted price. So if any of you guys have any questions regarding the booking rates here, you could just like and message the Pocket Hotel on Facebook or on Instagram. You can follow us there and you can see photos there. So I'll give you a little tour on how this art here and that art there and those art there got conceptualized. So this guy right here is of course the tourist, right? So of course, to represent our beloved Philippines, there's a 3 stars and a sun. And of course, this guy is pointing to the Butanding, which is a facade of the whole Cebu City. Every time you come to Cebu City, it's Butanding talaga and canyoneering. So of course, my little tour guide din siya para, you know, and then yung imaginary friends niya, just to show na life shouldn't be that serious. Aww. Be imaginative. This also here is another part of the hotel, which is my co-working space. My co-working space. If you're like a digital nomad or you're a freelancer, you can work here with an hourly fee with, of course, free-flowing coffee or iced tea, but you can't have both. And of course, water is a given with a super fast internet because we're fiber here. This is the cafe area of the hotel. And just to show you guys a glimpse of what we do here, we have a self-service laundry shop. So, sa lahat ng mga taga-Lapu-Lapu area, we have a self-service laundry shop. Woo! And of course, we serve sisig here at very, very reasonable prices. So these are my cafe staff. This is Sean and this is Gerald. Hello. Tell us about the menu that we serve.
We serve silog here. Here is our menu. We have corn silog, tap silog, spam silog, pork silog, sisigilog, danggit silog, and the pocket super meal.
Diba?
Meron siya lahat nun.
See? Kita nyo guys, pwede na magiging endorser tong si Sean. Eh, gusto ko naman si Gerald na naman. Gerald, sige. Paki-explain yung menu. Sige. Ay, salary deduction. Parang, Gerald, please tell us all about the menu.
The corn silog is corned beef with
Take 2.
so the corn silog is corned beef and then fried egg with rice. Then that's all. Tap silog is beef. Like
If it's beef, why is it called tap?
tapa.
Tapa is?
It's beef.
Okay.
Then egg, then rice. Then spam silog is like spam. You know spam? Spam.
What's spam? Explain what spam is.
Like
Biplop yung spam! A lot of guests. Kasi, check like host. They like that. Oh, hello. Huh? Yeah, I own this place. Thank you. Oh, can I have you guys in my vlog? Yeah. So hi, so these are my guests. So what do you guys think about?
Very, very accommodating.
See, guys, come to my hotel.
What's your name sa vlog?
Dodong Dave. Dodong Dave. I'm a Bisaya vlogger. So more in the Bisaya area.
Sure, yeah. Tila ko'y nakalutang nasa langit. Ngunit nalulunod sa iyong mga ngiti. Ako hanggang dito. Tila ko'y nakalutang nasa langit. Ngunit nalulunod sa iyong mga ngiti. Ako hanggang dito lang talaga tayo. Hindi pababayaan ang daang tinahagatapiling ka. Kung umabot tayo hanggang dulo, kapitan ng mahigpit, aabutin natin ang mga tala. Ang ring ng mga tala'y nakikita
Ano words? Pati yan. Stay na feel talaga siya sa pagiging teacher. Ano ba? Hey, my name's Stick Boy. Here at the Pocket Hotel. It's a budget that suits your pocket.
So,
Sige,
ito,
go.
pag-lintok si Rin. Less budget. So, good afternoon. Welcome to the Pocket Hotel.
Ang labo!
It's budget.
Uh,
It's ours pocket.
Good afternoon.
Good morning.
sige na, Gerald. Sige, dyan ka na lang. Sige, dyan ka na lang. Sige. Hey, I'm Gerald. Wait.
Welcome to the Pocket Hotel.
It's budget that suits your pocket.
That's your pocket.
That suits your pocket.
Hey, I'm Gerald. Welcome to the Pocket Hotel. Hey, I'm Gerald. Welcome to the Pocket Hotel. It's budget that suits your pocket.
Di pwede matay mo mga Hi, it's me, Junel. Hi, my name is Junel. Welcome to Pocket Hotel.
It's budget
It's budget
that suits.
that suits your pocket.
Janelle did well. 3, 2,
Anya,
1, take 1. Happy New Year! Take 2.
Hey, it's me, Rance, and welcome to... Take 3.
Isubok pa ko. Ako pa yung inutusan. Take 3.
Hey, it's me, Rance, and welcome to Pocket Hotel. It's a budget hotel.
Hindi talaga pwede kong showbiz yung mga employees ko. Take, ano na? Ilang take na to? Take 4.
Budget. Hey, it's me, Rance, and welcome to Pocket Hotel. It's budget that suits your pocket.
Ah, very good, very good, very good. Say sweet, sweet. Sweet. The tweets. Julia, take what?
Hi, my name is Julia, and welcome to the Pocket Hotel. It's budget.
Ketawa, ketawa.
Take two.
Hi, this is Julia, and welcome to the Pocket Hotel. It's budget that suits to your pocket.
Of course naman, di ba? We're very full on. We're full service talaga dito. Pero of course, sometimes you just have to relax naman din. Pero if guests are here, of course, they're very welcome. As, di ba? As you can see, Chris, kanina, na even the guests say na, yung mga, yung staff talaga is very, accommodating. So of course, with that being said, we invite you guys to come and stay over here at the Pocket Hotel, where everything is just fun. We have a cafe here, we have an upcoming laundry shop here, and of course, we're open 24 hours because it's a hotel. But the cafe closes at 12 on weekdays and 2 a.m. on weekends. We hope to see you here soon. We hope you can experience a stay here at the Pocket Hotel, where it's budget. It's your pocket. So guys, that was basically my day today. So if you guys like this episode, don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and on my Twitter. That's at Dave Gerante. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, which I already said. Anyways, once again, this is Dodong signing out. See ya!
Buntag sa'yo, pag